Okay, well, I've got the interesting GC engine 2 day in a row experience. Happened to put the GCH160 on the power trowel. Excellent, no issues there. However, randomly, the lawnmower decided to automatically just die. Wouldn't start back up. Nothing. Carb clean, nothing. And so I'm like, wow. So I went back and forth, so I'll try starting it again. Nothing. Well, that's ignition coil. I assume it's probably the ignition coil, and I measured it, and it wasn't measuring at first. Kind of fiddled around, cleaned, got where the there's the mount bolt, that inside part of the laminate metal. That I could touch in there and get about 14K ohms with the tip. So I'm thinking that maybe it's okay, maybe not. Maybe it just need to be cleaned up, reinstalled. That might be suitable. I looked online, somebody else is showing 9K. So, and then I had another one. So I was like, I just got a pressure washer that parts engine. Hey, they said the engine runs good. That's going to be my first GC parts engine. It's pretty nasty looking. So anyhow, the nasty looking magneto, took that off, measured, I'm like, oh cool, it's about 9K. So, sanded a little bit of it. And here's what, let's see, it might start without choking. I'm guessing as I just did. But I get this reliably and repeatedly. It'll run and then just die. So I assume this ignition coil's bad also. I kind of ghetto, took the bowl off, cleaned inside. There was some floaters in there. I don't know if there's a gasket with these or not with that bowl. I assume there is, but there's definitely some black crud in there. And it makes me kind of want to go in and drain out, get a jar, drain the fuel out the line just to see what that looks coming out, just in case something went in. I don't know where that black stuff would come from. Kind of looked thin like paint almost, but definitely not varnish, I don't think. And anyways, this bowl looked good. Sprayed it out really good with carb cleaner. My torch kit wire wasn't small enough to get up the main jet, so I didn't wind up running anything all up the main jet, but I just don't think that's what it is. So here's what, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Here, put that down when I do it. No problem starts right up. Now, it'll die though on it. So, I'm guessing, I don't know though. I found my other spark plug tester, and that, it kind of fizzles out. So, I mean, that could relate with fuel too, but it doesn't just completely die, so it keeps trying to spark to the last turn. So it makes me think it's not. It is something, fuel line float jet or something. And well, I don't want it on the ground. I have removed the floats and needle and cleaned that without removing the carb. I guess I will do that. But yeah, I just want to document that just while I'm at it, because I've never had a bad Honda GC engine with this experience. So sure, it's a piece of cake, but it's no matter what it is. So yeah, got that documented at least.